It's me, Kinghuman. That's who it is. Don't question me. Okay. Hang on. I got some interesting stuff for you, but you're going to have to endure me yakking for a while. It's the price you have to pay. But it could pay off for you, so try and hang in there. Before I even start, I want to thank you guys, because I don't do it enough. I want to thank you and say I appreciate you watching my videos. I know it's hard to listen to a blowhard and look at a fat, fugly face like this and have to endure listening to my annoying voice. But I can help you! So thanks. Anyway, okay, what's doing, Kinghuman? You're already annoying us. Get on with it. Okay, I'm getting there. First things, I was walking through a big electronics store the other day. Shopping for something. What was I shopping for? I don't even remember. I'm looking for an electronic gadget to give away on my Elite Members website. Every month I give away something cool. Last month I gave away a Samsung Galaxy tablet. The guy really likes it. He thinks it's cool. So I was shopping for something to give away this month, and I was walking down a random aisle, and I look over on the aisle, and there's a bunch of all these little spy cameras. You know, there's one for a pen you write with. There's a clip-on camera. There's a little camera that looks like a key fob for your car, you know, and there are all these little cameras built into these little shitty things. So I looked at that and I flashed on it, and it amazed me because they're selling these things, these little keychain things at Fry's for like $50 a piece. And I went, wow, I remember seeing these things on these China sourcing places for like $2. Seriously, barf, excuse me. $2 a piece. How is it that this thing is selling for $50 a piece in a retail store? So being Kinghuman, marketing genius that I am, I have to grab this thing and dissect the hell out of it and check it out. It's the same exact product. Yes, it is. What this guy did was he took this $2 item and put it in his own packaging and put his own brand name on it, his own company name. And he got sales reps to sell this thing wholesale. So he's probably making Keystone, meaning he's probably selling this thing to the electronics store for $25 a piece, and the electronics store, which is a big giant chain store, is selling them for $50 a piece. I don't know how many of these things this guy's selling. If he's selling 1,000, 10,000 units, I don't know. But I know there's money there. And I know some of you guys are going, well, so what? What does that have to do with me? It's important. I'm trying to get you guys to understand this. And understand that you can find a $2 item and turn it into $25 all day long. I used to do it on eBay. I used to sell a $6 item for $75, $200, and even more sometimes. And I had people waiting in line to buy this shit. It's marketing. It's how you package it, how you sell it, the whole thing. So anyway, back to this case study. The guy basically just packaged it, like I say, and he got sales rep to sell his stuff for him. Or I don't know actually how he did it. But here's what I would do if it was me. I would take it, I would probably repackage it. Maybe I wouldn't even have to. Maybe I could just put a sticker on the box, you know, with my company name. I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't have to do anything. Or I would buy it from the manufacturer in China and say, okay, we need private label on our product. And give them our company name. And they would put the thing, if you order enough of them from China, they'll put it in whatever package you want. Trust me. So now I got the thing for $2, and I'm going, okay, how do I sell this thing? I would go to rephunter.net and post for sales reps and hire a huge team of sales reps and put them on commission. I've got a huge profit margin on this product, costing me $2, selling for $25. There's enough meat on that bone to give a really good sales commission to these guys, because remember, if you've got a huge team of sales reps out there selling the hell out of this thing for you, you're gonna make dough. It's just like having what I've been talking about for years with ebooks and CPA, and if you make a product, a digital product, and put it on an affiliate gateway, what you're doing is you're getting a gazillion people out there to go and sell your product for you. All the money funnels back to you. You pay them a commission, but believe me, people get rich from that. I know of this one guy that wrote an ebook on how to get six-pack abs. He put it on the affiliate gateway. He got affiliates to sell it for him, and he made millions with that book. Literally. I know some of you guys want to do the hard goods, and some of you guys are really ape nuts for electronics. So this is a great illustration for you, I thought. And I thought I'd tell you about it. And I hope that you could take these principles and apply it to whatever comes into your brain. That gray thing between your ears. Try and use it. This is a great marketing case study. What you get out of this lecture is up to you. I'm giving you gold here. Okay, enough of that. What else is doing? Now I want to talk about my stock. Let me take a swig. It really is water. It's not vodka. I don't drink. Okay, except when I drink. I think it was about a week ago. I'm going to open my portfolio tracker right now. I think it was about a week ago I showed you guys live as I bought a stock, because I'm that confident in my picks. I've got it down. I've got programs you wouldn't believe that I use for stock selection. I program my own algorithms into them based on key criteria that I formulated. Genius. I am a genius. And you guys that follow me, I know I'm hamming it up here, but you really have to understand. I am a genius when it comes to this shit. So anyway, I'm looking at my portfolio tracker, and that stock is already up 5.3%, and it's already made me $501.96 in about a week. I did no work. I typed a couple of things on the keyboard, and that was that. Boom goes dynamite. Now on top of this, I'm getting a check from that company of dividends, making that 5%, probably almost 10%, maybe more. I forget what the dividend pays. Believe me. So anyway, what I'm getting at is, I had a lot of people, because what I tend to do is, and what I've told you guys to do when it comes to stocks, is be an investor, not a trader. A trader buys a stock and sells it pretty quickly. They're just trading in and out, back and forth, blah, 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 trying to make a quick buck. An investor invests for the long term. And I told you guys, buy a good base stock that pays a good dividend, throws off money, that you can reinvest into buying more shares, and reinvest into more and more shares, and you'll get more and more dividends. It's called compounding, and it's what makes people wealthy over the long term. So I told you young kids to do this. I hope somebody listened. I don't know if they will. But I got a bunch of people on my forum, on the Kinghuman Elite, and on YouTube saying, Kinghuman, can't you find stocks that we can flip, like a website? And I said, well, yeah, I could, but, I don't really believe in it. But they got me curious. So I went in, I reprogrammed my algorithm, and I back tested my particular algorithm the way I set it up. And it's proprietary. I'm not going to tell you guys what I did or how I set it up. And I back tested it for 10 years and let it run. I got well over 90% winners. I mean, I am on it like pig vomit. I know my stocks. I know what I'm doing here. I've got it dialed in. I think, knock wood. At this point, I think I've got it. I've back tested it for 10 years. Things are going on. So, what I'm getting at here is, if you guys, I don't know how many people are interested in seeing me flipping stocks, buying short-term stocks. And when I say short-term, I'm talking about a stock that you hold on to for between 7 days and no more than, say, 30 days, and sell it for a quick profit. If there's enough people interested in that, I'll devote more time to it, and I'll start making YouTube videos on that and showing you guys live as I do it and the results, and you guys can decide whether I'm full of crap or not. It'll be right on the videos, and there'll be no faking it. So anyway, make your comments and say if you want me to do that or not. Meanwhile, I don't know. Alright, donate a few bucks to charity. St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids kicks ass. They help sick kids. Donate a few bucks to them and help a sick kid. Bayonara.